Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So today we are here with part 9th, chapter 3rd, Yoga and Lifestyle. It is of plus 2 class. And today we will do about the Paschimottan Asana. These are the preventive asana of the diabetes. You know what is diabetes, the level of sugar, or we can say increase in our blood or decrease, that is known as the blood sugar. Or preventive asanas of sugar, that is Paschimottan Asana. In last we completed Bhujanga Asana. So today Paschimottan Asana. Paschimottan Asana. Paschim. You know meaning of Paschim is west. Uttan. Paschimottan Asana. Uttan means backside. And Uttan means stretch. Stretch. Stretch your back. That is known as the Paschimottan Asana. Now procedure of Paschimottan Asana maybe you know very well, but we will discuss. Procedure. At first you have to sit in Sukhasana. Sit in Sukhasana means simple like plathi maar ke baith jana. Second one, straight your legs. Straight your legs. Third one, back should be straight. Back should be straight. Fourth one, rise your arm from lateral side. Arms from sideward, we can say sideward, and straight up to sky. Okay, rise your arms from sideward and straight up to sky, means from sideward raise your arms. At first sit in Sukhasana, straight your legs, back should be straight, then raise your arm from sideward or it should be straight, palm facing to the front side. Fifth one, slowly bend your back and touch your feet with hand. Touch your feet or on thumb of your feet you can touch. Next one, try to touch your forehead on your knees, yeah, on knees. That forehead you have to touch your knees or maintain that position. In this asana what happen, the sensation you will feel in hamstring group of muscle plus back muscle, that downward side of your back, peat. Okay, sensation you will feel. If you have a capability, you have a good stretching, then easily you can touch. If you don't have a capability or flexibility, then slowly you have to do the practice. Like where you will feel the sensation, you have to hold that position 5 to 10 seconds or then come back. Then again you will try. So if you will try these like this for 15 to 20 days, automatically after some time you will touch your forehead easily on your knees. One more thing, that our belly, that our area of the digestive organs, that will touch our thighs, or it create a pressure in our digestive system. So it is the procedure of Paschimottan Asana. Now benefit. Benefit of Paschimottan Asana plus First point is, during this asana, pressure goes on digestive organs. Okay. Second one, when we doing this asana, that our lower part, intestines, it will pressurize upper side. So automatically our pancreas is there downward from the stomach. So it will pressurize, it will create a pressure there. Our blood flow also, blood flow increase toward the digestive organ. Third one, massage is there, massage of digestive organ, especially intestine, okay. It reduce the belly fat. Okay, these 3-4 are the benefits of this asana. Or automatically when working capacity or working process of the digestive organ becomes sharp, so automatically the secretion of insulin also increase, or if secretion of insulin increase, automatically the level of sugar in our blood, it will be maintained one. Okay. Contraindications. Those don't perform this asana, first one, the person, we can say pregnant lady, they have to avoid this asana. Any digestive infection, if anybody having, they don't try to do this asana. Or person who is suffering from hernia or appendix, these type of disease, if the person is having, they don't try to do this asana. Or if they are in the recovery period from these type of disease, they have to do this asana with the suggestion or with the command of the trainer, coach or yogic teacher. Okay. So this is the benefit or contraindication or procedure we completed of Paschimottanasana. Next one is there, Pavan Muktasana. Pavan Mukt Asana. Pavan Mukt Asana, basically this asana is for the person who is having a gas problem. Okay. Gas problem. Even you know the from word pavan means wind, mukt means free हो जाना, एक जिस चीज से, that is indication of this asana, meaning of this asana, it is the name of Pavan Mukt Asana. So what is the procedure of Pavan Mukt Asana? Procedure. First one is lay down in supine position. Supine position means face toward the sky. Okay. Second one, alternate, we will do this. Bend your, or we can say fold your left or right leg, anyone. bring your knee toward the chest. Try to touch your knee on the shoulder. This part we have to try to touch this our knee on the shoulder. Fifth one, maintain the position for some time. Okay, depend on your capability, how much capacity or capability you have. If you have a professional one, easily you can do for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, or if you are a beginner one, with the suggestion of that coach, trainer or yogic teacher, you have to do. Okay, now benefits of this asana. Benefit. First one, when our thigh touch our that abdominal area, pressure goes on digestive organ like stomach, intestine, gallbladder, pancreas. Second one, strengthen the muscles, especially it strengthens the muscles of legs or core area. Third one, pressure goes on that blood flow, increase in digestive organ. Okay, automatically that blood flow increase toward digestive organ, the working process or that working of the digestive organ increase. Fourth one, it give relief from menstrual cramps, especially occur in the female that menstrual cycle. During menstrual cycle that cramps are, and they are facing the problem of cramps in the abdominal area, so it gave relief from these type of cramps. Now contraindication of this asana. Those have abdominal surgeries because of any problem like appendix or hernia. If anybody having a surgery of abdominal area, they have to avoid this asana. Second one, pregnant lady, they have to avoid this asana. Who is having heart problem, any type of heart problem like cause of high BP or high sugar, high diabetes, okay, or any other back injury, or neck injury. If anybody having a back injury, back pain, cervical, not cervical, like we can say from this area, when we are facing the pain, disc problem, sorry, neck injury, any neck injury, so they have to avoid this asana. Those having abdominal surgery, pregnant lady who having a heart problem, or those are having back problem or neck injury, they have to avoid to do this asana. For today this much, and next asana we will do in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते.